Everyone, so you might have got my link for GitHub. So first, what you want to do is go to my GitHub. This page, it should be, this link will be in the description. So first you have to go to the branch, and in the branch where from you want to order your PS5 is from Amazon or Flipkart or gametheshop. If, for example, I'm going to gametheshop, so then you can just download this code as zip. So after downloading, you can, let me just show you. You can just go to downloads, then you wanna just extract it. After extracting, you can get a file, this Python file. You don't have to open, or just let me show you how to do it. First, for this script to work, first you need Python. So you can download Python and install from there. I have already installed Python in my system. So if I type py, it will go to Python and it will go to this interpreter. So for from there, what you want to do is just go to that folder, drag and drop the file. Just so you need this app, which is vscode, Visual Studio Code. You can download it. After downloading it, it will open like that. For Amazon, Flipkart and gametheshop, all the like code is given here, like whatever I have saved. Next, let me show you what to do next. Here you have to go to this link and download the Windows 32 version of the Chromedriver, and after that you have to go to your this thing, and from there you have to, for example, this is the, let me just exit out of this. No, now I'm in the normal command prompt. I have to copy paste this. After that, it will automatically install your thing, selenium library. After that, your code will run. So now what you have to do, you have to go to your desktop, like from where you have downloaded the Chromedriver, you have to find the path of it, this path. So here I have already done it. So after adding the path, you have to type the name of the app. Just make sure it is correct. Then what you have to do, you have to type your email and password over here. And for the gametheshop, you need a pin code, so type a pin code over here. For example, now I'm running my script, it will automatically open the page, and I haven't given my email and password over here, so it will try to refresh, and when it is available, it will just check it out. So you have to make your account and type your address, then after that you have to do. Similarly, you can use the Flipkart script, email and password over here. You don't need a pin code, you just need that. And Amazon, is the same thing. So from there you can easily use this script to order your PS5. Thank you.